Wow. What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday from Zanzibar. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC, couple scenarios. We're sitting at 30.7K, up 0.2 on the day. Seeing market cap of 596 billion. 24-hour volume, 12.3 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So the first scenario is that this was our wave 4, and we're still going to push up in a wave 5. Now, Ethereum has done everything it needs to complete a 5-wave move. So Bitcoin may fail to push up, but if it does, then potentially wave 1, wave 2 looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5. If we can break the B wave high at 31.2, that's more confluence of an impulse in a wave 5. Second scenario is that this impulse is finished. We do have a strong bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, if I pop it open, the RSI, we're still printing that divergence. So if we do break down from here, we just took profits on our Bitcoin long trade, made it juicy, like 30-something% on only 2x leverage. And my signals are only $10 a month. You can find out about it at the end. So we have a wave 1 up, looking for a wave 2 pullback. If we pull back from here, then the target is in between 26K and 27.9 with a minimum target of the 38.2 at 28.6. So that's your target zone. If we do pull back from here, could offer another good long opportunity. I will drop a signal in the Discord if I do end up taking a trade. We are currently in just 3 trades because we just locked in gains on one of them. Weekly bullish cross. We have confirmed a bullish signal that has never failed in the bear market to confirm that the bottom is in. When we broke below the EMAs, we got back above them. Bullish cross, bottom was in. I know I mentioned this in a lot of videos, but sometimes we have new viewers. Broke below the EMAs, got back above them, bullish cross, and bottom was in. So once again, we printed the bullish cross on the weekly chart. So I do think that the bottom is in. I've been saying that for a long time, and that we're going to continue to push to the upside. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for BTC. If we can break that B wave high, we can impulse up to about 32K. But if we simply roll over, then here's your pullback zone for the wave 2. And locked in some juicy gains on that trade. I trade on Bitget mostly. You can check out my full length tutorial. If you sign up, you can get up to, I believe it's 9K in bonuses. How much? 8,000 in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorial. And then if you want access to my signals, we just locked in that 30-something% gain on a Bitcoin trade. And we're in 3 other trades. It's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. The price is a Big Mac meal, and it will not kill you in the long run. All right, gang. Crypto news, member profits, HODL all plays, Forex signals. We're in some Forex trades as well. Only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.